The House Committee on Public Order and Safety confirmed the start of an investigation into illegal activities involving Philippine offshore gaming operators or POGO. The inquiry begins with invites extended to officials from Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation, National Bureau of Investigation, Philippine National Police, Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission, and various local government units. Representative Dan Fernandez highlighted that while PAGCOR grants POGO franchises, it is the responsibility of local governments to monitor these operators. The investigation seeks to address concerns over regulatory oversight and POGO-related illegal activities.
So we will be investigating yung mga criminal elements that involved doon sa POGO. Magpo-focus tayo doon sa mga illegal na mga POGO na kung saan maraming mga, alam na natin, mga illegal na ginagawa. Basically, nakita ko 46 lang ata yung legal eh. And ang sinasabi, meron ng existing na 400. So meaning, merong mga 300 plus or 350 na mga illegal. So anong ginagawa ng ating mga kapulisan? Anong ginagawa nating LGU?